Hey there.
Got a hobby that you love? Baking? Photography? Competitive knitting? What if I told you you could monetize it? No, not by starting an Etsy shop, been there, done that, but by creating online courses with a little help from AI. Yup, AI can turn your passion into profit faster than you can say, passive income. Let's dive into 3 game-changing AI tools that will help you create your very own course, no PhD required. First up, we've got KwaKwa. Sounds like a tropical bird, but trust me, this tool is all business. KwaKwa's AI does everything from structuring your course to generating quizzes and even translating captions into any language. Want to make your underwater basket weaving course available to a global audience? Boom, KwaKwa's got your back. Basically, KwaKwa turns your content into a full-blown course while you chill with your coffee. Seriously, course creation has never been easier, or more fun. Next up is Mini.Course. The Mini is ironic because this tool packs a massive punch. It can take your basic course description and turn it into a fully structured course outline in seconds. Think of it like the AI fairy godmother of course creation. Want to customize your course? No problem. Add quizzes, surveys, or interactive content. You can even share your course with a simple link, like a cat meme, but educational. Mini.Course is perfect for educators, trainers, or anyone who loves showing off how much they know. Yes, even you, trivia champions. Last but definitely not least, we've got Coursebox. This bad boy is the Swiss Army knife of AI course tools. It can create quizzes, automate grading, and give instant feedback to learners. Oh, and did I mention you can white label the whole platform to match your brand? Fancy, right? Coursebox is perfect for corporate trainers, freelance educators, and anyone who's tired of grading assignments at 2 a.m. Been there, no thanks. So, whether you want to teach cake decorating, crypto trading, or interpretive dance for dogs, please do this. These AI tools will help you build courses that sell while you sleep. Remember, your hobby isn't just a hobby. It's a business waiting to happen. Now, go monetize the heck out of it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.